In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to overlay images in Canva, step by step. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, or marketing graphics, knowing how to properly layer and position images can instantly make your designs look more professional. The best part is, Canva makes this process incredibly simple once you understand how layers work. I'll walk you through adding your base image, placing an overlay on top, resizing it, positioning it perfectly, and sharing a few extra tips to make everything look clean and polished. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, we need to add our base image. This is the background image that everything else will sit on top of. Inside Canva, open your design or create a new one. Then go to the left-hand menu and click on Uploads if you're using your own image, or click on Photos if you want to use one from Canva's built-in library. Once you've chosen your image, simply drag it onto the canvas. If needed, resize it so it fills the entire page. You can do that by clicking on the corners and dragging outward until it snaps into place. This will be the foundation of your design, so make sure it's positioned exactly how you want it before moving on. Next, let's add the image you want to overlay. Go back to Uploads or Photos and select your second image. Click it or drag it onto the canvas. You'll notice that Canva automatically places the new image on top of your background image. That's because Canva stacks elements in layers, and the most recently added element appears above the others. If for any reason your image doesn't appear on top, you can right-click it, select Position, and then choose Forward or to Front to bring it above the background. Now that your overlay image is on the canvas, it's time to adjust the size and position. Click on the overlay image and use the corner handles to resize it. Drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. You can place it in the center for a bold layered look, move it into a corner for a subtle branding effect, or stretch it across the entire canvas if you're creating a blended overlay design. Simply click and drag the image to reposition it anywhere you like. Canva also shows alignment guides, which help you center everything perfectly. If you want to make your overlay blend better with the background, you can experiment with transparency. With the overlay image selected, click on the transparency icon in the top toolbar and adjust the slider. Lowering the transparency can create a soft overlay effect that's perfect for text backgrounds or aesthetic designs. You can also use the Edit Image option to adjust brightness, contrast, or apply filters, so both images match in tone and color. And that's it. That's how you overlay images in Canva quickly and easily. Add your base image, place your second image on top, resize it, reposition it, and adjust transparency if needed. Once you understand how layering works, you can create more advanced designs with logos, textures, gradients, and creative photo effects. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Canva guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.